in the market for a car that's both highly reliable and delivers excellent performance? Toyota offers some of the best vehicles available. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 Toyota cars that are renowned for their reliability and enjoyable driving experience. Don't miss out on discovering the perfect car for you. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to ensure you never miss an update. Let's get started. Number 1. 2024 Toyota Sienna, reliable and family-friendly. The 2024 Toyota Sienna is an outstanding minivan, particularly suited for families. Despite the growing popularity of SUVs, the Sienna remains a solid choice. The 2024 model hasn't seen many changes and is only available as a hybrid, meaning it uses both gasoline and electricity. It also offers an all-wheel drive option, which is beneficial in adverse weather conditions. With seating for 7 or 8 passengers, it's perfect for large families. The Sienna is also available as a special model for people with disabilities. The Sienna features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 245 horsepower when combined with the hybrid system. It uses a continuously variable transmission or CVT, ensuring smooth transitions between gas and electric power. All-wheel drive models come with an additional electric motor that powers the rear wheels. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Sienna. The front-wheel drive model consumes about 6.6 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, while the all-wheel drive model uses slightly more, making it an economical choice for long-term driving. In terms of safety, the Sienna is hard to beat. It earned a top 5-star rating from the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, with 10 airbags and numerous safety features like blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and lane departure assist. It's a secure option for your family. The Sienna is also known for its reliability. It earned a recommended badge from Consumer Reports, with a predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5. It was also named the top minivan in J.D. Power 2023 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study. Inside, the Sienna offers an array of features such as a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports. Higher trims include additional amenities like power doors, a heated steering wheel, and more comfortable seating. Overall, the 2024 Toyota Sienna is an excellent choice for families seeking a reliable, safe, and fuel-efficient minivan. Number 2. Toyota Glanza, a great hatchback for everyone. The Toyota Glanza is an exceptional car that suits families and anyone in search of a reliable vehicle. Starting at about $8,000 United States dollars, it's a budget-friendly option in Toyota's premium hatchback segment. The Glanza is equipped with a robust 1.2-liter 4-cylinder WT engine, perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. The car stands out with its 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and L-shaped LED DRL headlamps, giving it a stylish and modern appearance. The 1,197cc engine provides enough power for daily driving. The Glanza can achieve up to 22.94 kilometers per liter of petrol, making it a fuel-efficient choice that saves you money. It also comes with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive, especially in traffic. The Glanza delivers up to 88.50 bhp at 6,000 rpm, providing the speed you need when necessary. With 113 Nm of torque at 4,400 rpm, it offers smooth acceleration and decent pulling power. The fuel tank holds 37 liters of petrol, reducing the frequency of refueling stops. The Glanza comfortably seats up to 5 people, making it ideal for smaller families or groups of friends. Its compact hatchback design makes it easy to park while still offering ample interior space. Overall, the Toyota Glanza combines style, efficiency, and practicality. It's one of Toyota's best models, meeting the needs of those seeking a budget-friendly yet premium hatchback. Whether you're commuting to work, taking the kids to school, or embarking on a trip, the Glanza is a reliable and stylish choice. Number 3. Toyota Auris, a great used car for small families. The Toyota Auris is an excellent option if you're looking for a reliable and affordable used car. It's ideal for smaller families seeking a simple and attractive vehicle. Its sleek design is sure to appeal to many drivers. The Auris comes with various engine options, including petrol, diesel, and hybrid. If you're aiming to cut fuel costs, the 1.8-liter hybrid is your best bet, delivering up to 68.8 miles per gallon. This means fewer stops at the pump and more savings. The 2019 Auris features a 1.8-liter hybrid engine that strikes a balance between power and fuel efficiency. This hybrid setup is known for its longevity, often lasting over 150,000 miles with regular maintenance. Inside the Auris, you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin. Depending on the model, you can expect around 360 liters of boot space, providing ample room for groceries, luggage, or sports gear. The interior is also well equipped with technology, including the Touch 2 infotainment system, which is user-friendly and keeps you connected on the go. The Auris boasts impressive safety and reliability ratings. The 2020 model received a solid 5-star rating from the Euro NCAP for overall safety. Additionally, J.D. Power gave it strong reliability ratings, further solidifying its dependability. Number 4. Toyota Land Cruiser, a strong and reliable vehicle. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a widely respected four-wheeled drive vehicle manufactured by Toyota. As of 2019, over 10 million Land Cruisers have been sold worldwide. The Land Cruiser was first produced in 1951 and has since been available in various styles, including convertible, hardtop, station wagon, and cab chassis. It's renowned for its reliability and durability, especially in harsh conditions like those in the Australian outback, where it is rigorously tested. In Japan, the Land Cruiser was initially sold in special Toyota stores. Since 1990, a smaller version called the Land Cruiser Prado has been available, offering a lighter and more comfortable alternative. Until 2023, the Prado was the only Land Cruiser available with a short wheelbase, 3-door version. The Land Cruiser's mileage is also impressive. Many models are known to surpass 200,000 miles with minimal issues. For example, the 2020 model features a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine with 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, proving it's built to last. The Land Cruiser's strong resale value is another testament to its reliability. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Land Cruiser often ranks high for retaining its value, showing that people trust it for the long haul. The 2023 model earned a solid 4.5 out of 5 for reliability from J.D. Power. Number 5. The Toyota Camry, a reliable car for many years. The Toyota Camry is a popular mid-size sedan that's been a staple in Toyota's lineup since 1982. Over the years, the Camry has evolved from a compact car to a mid-size sedan, offering more space and comfort. In Japan, the Camry was sold at special Toyota stores, while a similar model called the Toyota Vista was available at different locations. The name Camry is derived from a Japanese word meaning crown, continuing Toyota's tradition of naming cars after royal symbols, like the Toyota Crown and Toyota Corolla. The first Camry was a 4-door sedan called the Celica Camry, produced from 1979 to 1982. In 1982, the Camry became its own model, available as both sedan and a 5-door liftback. Over the years, different versions of the Camry have been developed, including station wagons and hardtop sedans. In 1991, Toyota introduced a larger version of the Camry, the XV10, which was sold in Japan as the Toyota Scepter. The Toyota Camry excels in performance and reliability, making it a standout choice in the midsize sedan market. The 2023 model offers two engine options, a base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 203 horsepower, ideal for everyday driving, and a 3.5-liter V6 engine that provides 301 horsepower for those seeking a more exhilarating ride. Handling is another area where the Camry shines. Its well-tuned suspension smooths out road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride, while responsive steering gives you confidence whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The Camry is also fuel efficient, with the 4-cylinder engine averaging around 28 to 39 miles per gallon. and the hybrid model often exceeding 50 miles per gallon. When it comes to reliability, the Camry is nearly unmatched. Toyota's reputation for building dependable cars is well earned, and the Camry is a prime example. It consistently receives high reliability ratings from sources like J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Many Camry owners report that their cars run smoothly for well over 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Overall, the Toyota Camry blends strong performance with long-lasting reliability, making it an excellent choice for anyone in search of a dependable and enjoyable vehicle. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible Toyota cars. Which Toyota car is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining videos. See you next time.